Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to enable Windows 11 rounded taskbar. So how to do this? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your search and type up Microsoft Store. Open a Microsoft Store. After that, type a rounded TB. Click on it. Click on get. After completing that, click on open button and open. Click on OK button. After doing this step, set your values. Click on apply. Go to your advanced settings. Click on dynamic mode. Click on apply. Now you can see that. Close it. After doing this step, go to your settings of your Windows. Go to your personalization. After doing this step, click on taskbar. Click on taskbar behavior. Select a left. Now you can see on the left side and inside it. Close it. Now I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.